Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to set up unlimited and fast Shadowsocks configurations using HTTP Custom for secure and speedy browsing. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy or bypass restrictions, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type HTTP Custom and hit Enter. From the search results, tap on the HTTP Custom app and install it. The download and installation process will take just a few minutes. Once the app is installed, launch it. You'll be taken to the home screen of HTTP Custom. Before we proceed, let's create a server if you don't already have one. Open any browser and type UDP Custom in the search bar, then press Enter. From the search results, tap on the official website to visit its homepage. On the homepage, look for the menu or hamburger icon, 3 horizontal lines, and click on it. This will open a list of main menus. From there, click on the SSH Servers menu. A new menu will appear with various protocol servers. Since we need a Shadowsocks server, click on that option. Next, choose a server location from the list provided. Click on Select Location, and then hit the Create button to finalize your server choice. On the next page, check the reCAPTCHA box, and click Generate Now to create your Shadowsocks server. In just a few seconds, your server will be ready. Once the server is created, copy the server details. Now, go back to the HTTP Custom home screen. First, check the V2Ray box on the home screen to activate its settings. This will allow us to use the server we just created. After that, tap on the gear icon to start importing the server. In the Settings menu, tap on V2Ray Settings to configure it. Here, tap on the clipboard icon to import the server details you copied earlier. Once done, return to the home screen. Now, tap the Connect button to start the VPN. Swipe left to view the logs, and you'll see that the VPN is successfully connected. If you want to save this configuration for later use, tap the plus icon and then hit Save Config. You can also verify your IP change by visiting the UDP Custom website and clicking on Check IP to confirm a successful connection. That's it! You've successfully set up an unlimited and fast Shadowsocks configuration using HTTP Custom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.